Ultramax Electric Golf Trolley. Here's everything included with your Ultramax trolley. To begin setup, unfold the main frame, lift the upper section and lock it into place. Each wheel is clearly marked left and right. Attach the wheel by aligning the slot, pushing in and rotating until you hear the click. The safety pin locks automatically, keeping the wheel secure. Extend the upper frame to full height. The press lock mechanism ensures a firm, stable hold. Your trolley is now fully upright and ready for power. Ultramax trolleys are available in both lithium and lead-acid variants. Each comes with its own dedicated charger. Our batteries are robust, built in-house, and replacements are always available. A built-in USB port adds extra convenience on the course. Connect the positive and negative terminals to power the motor. Secure the battery with the Velcro strap to keep it firmly in place. Unfold the golf bag support and fasten your bag using the elastic strap. Now attach the accessories. Start with the coupling bracket using the provided screws and Allen key. Add the larger gear mount and tighten it with the knob screw. Attach the umbrella holder to the gear mount and secure it with the second knob. Install the scorecard and ball holder on the opposite side. Your Ultramax trolley is now fully assembled. Power on with a long press. Set your speed from 1 to 9 using the central dial. Use the A to B function to send the trolley ahead automatically, 10, 20 or 30 meters. A single press stops movement. A long press powers down. Ultramax, effortless movement, better golf.